Hey, here's a challenge. Can you break 9,216 down into its building block? That means the prime numbers that multiply to give it. So what is prime factorization? It means expressing a number as a product of its prime factor. So those indivisible numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Or in other words, we can say that we will finding out what prime numbers multiply together to give 9,216. So let's start. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and please mention your country name in the comment box as it gets motivated from where people are watching. So 9,216, as we can see, it's an even number. So it can be divided by the first prime number, 2. So when we divide it by 2, we get 4,608. Again, it's an even number. So it gave us 2,302. Again, an even number. So it gave us 1,152. When we divide it by 2, we get 576. 576 divided by 2 gives 288. And 288 divided by 2 gives 144. 144 divided by 2 gives 72. 72 is divided by 2 gives 36. Again an even number. 36 divided by 2 gives 18. 18 divided by 2 gives 9. Now 9 is odd, so and it can be divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. So prime factorization of 9,216 is 2 power 10 times 3 power 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share and comment. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much.